Hey guys, so I have the JBL TUNE750BTnc wireless headphones and want to show you how to charge the battery of this model or even other JBL Tune models. So first of all, how do you know that the battery is about to be empty? So if you take a look at the right ear cup and you tilt this open here a little bit, then you see here the charging port on the top, and right next to it there's this little LED here. And if that is blinking in red, then that indicates that the battery status is low and it is time to charge it. So the best thing to use is here this micro USB charging cable that came with the headphones. And you can also use other cables those might work as well in case you don't have these handy. So you just plug this straight in there. Make sure you put this in here the right orientation. Only fits one way. And then we have here the other side, here the bigger side, the USB connector. We're going to use this here in this case with a charging cube of an iPhone. You can also use other smartphone chargers here that have the same USB port, or even you can connect this to your computer to charge as well. This will work too. And I'm going to just plug this into the outlet in this case, and now we see here the light here, the LED is lit up constantly in red now. So this indicates the battery is being charged, and it takes up to 2 hours for a full charge. So and how do you know that the battery is fully charged? That is pretty simple. And you can just see here this LED is going to turn off by itself as soon as the battery is full, just like you see here. And at this point we are already done here. All we have to do now is just to carefully unplug the charging cable here just by pulling it out nice and straight. Don't like bend it sideways, because otherwise you may damage the charging port permanently of your headphones. We don't want this to happen. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.